How to watch Premier League live on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to watch Premier League live on mobile. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Chrome browser on your device or any browser on your device. And you can search any kind of Premier League live. For example, I have typed in Sky Sports and then the official interface of Sky Sports will appear, where you need to tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select this sports option and now you can choose any of the sports. For example, click on football. You can simply scroll down to find live Premier League matches, and to watch you can scroll back and tap the three bars again and click Get Sky Sports. And after that, you will see the subscription options like Sky Sports Premier League and Sky Sports Football for $18 or like $39 per month. So first of all, let's reject this all the cookies. And after that, you can simply subscribe to Sky Sports to enjoy Premier League matches on your mobile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.